So this is the start of my hike. I'll wear a little rain jacket, but it's pretty pointless because I'm gonna be drenched by the end of this anyway. Well, whatever. We start off dry for 30 seconds. Something I always find interesting is when people are hiking uphill, but they're not even breathing hard. I don't know how they do it, because I am constantly fighting for my life when I'm going uphill. Guess they're just in better shape. Super foggy, so I have no idea how close I am. I don't know if you can see through the fog, but you can just barely see the antennas right there. So that is the summit. Finally. So there's some secrets to rain hiking. Number one, give in to being wet. You're gonna get wet. Don't even fight it, just go with it. Number two, jelly beans. Some people think trail mix or energy bars. Nope, jelly beans. Number three, keep moving. You'll be warm if you keep moving. About it, really.